Welcome to MackinVIA for Administrators, your all-in-one, award-winning platform for managing your school's digital content. Built by educators for educators, MackinVIA simplifies resource management and access to promote deeper learning. Getting started is easy. Go to MackinVIA.com to log in as an administrator. Alternatively, if you're already logged into Mackin.com, just go to My Account and select MackinVIA. If you oversee multiple locations, you can easily use the Select Your VM menu to choose the correct school. From inside MackinVIA, the Go-To menu quickly connects you to Mackin.com for more products and services. It also lets you jump into StudentVIA to instantly preview what your students see. Need a hand? The Help page is always available for quick reference. Here you can search the comprehensive MackinVIA user guide, browse popular searches, and explore more video tutorials. Finally, you'll find your main navigation menu running right across the top of the screen, putting everything you need just a click away.